everyone, welcome to Kids Toyland, and today we have a box of wild animals to learn about. Let's get to it! Purple hippo. Tiger. Black and white zebra. Baby giraffe. Green crocodile. Polar bear. Blue parrot. Hippopotamus. Yellow cheetah. Elephant. Gray koala bear. Giraffe. An awesome fact Terrence the tiger would like to tell you. The tiger is the biggest species of the cat family. Wow, isn't that awesome? Gray elephant. Lion. Brown monkey. Zebra. Yellow giraffe. Grizzly bear. Red parrot. Moose. Yellow lion. Crocodile. Orange tiger. Wasn't that just so much fun, Terrence? Yeah, the funnest! I love learning about wild animals. Don't forget to comment down below which wild animal you liked. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Have an awesome day. Bye!